Example 4.20. A 400 millihenry coil of negligible resistance is connected to an AC circuit in which an effective current of 6 milliampere is flowing. Find out the voltage across the coil if the frequency is 1000 Hertz. Now a 400 millihenry of the coil. So the self inductance is given. So L is given as 400 millihenry. Is connected in an AC circuit with an effective current of 6 milliampere. So current is equal to 6 milliampere. So that is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. So here it is an effective current, I effective. And the frequency is given as 1000 Hertz. What is asked? Find the voltage. What is asked is find the voltage. So we know inductive reactance is equal to XL is equal to L omega. Okay. So XL is equal to L value is 400 millihenry. So 400 into 10 raised to minus 3 into omega is 2 pi f. So this can be written as L into 2 pi f. So 2 into 3.14 into 1000. Okay. If you multiply all these values, we will be getting here at as 2512 ohm. This is your XL value. Okay. Now we have to find out your voltage across L. Voltage across L. So V is equal to I into XL. So I we want to find it out. Okay. So we want to find it out V only. So V is equal to I, we know the value of I was 6 milliampere. So it is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 into L value is, or XL value is how much? 2512. 2512. Okay, so if you multiply these two values, you will be getting as 15.072. So the voltage we are getting here is 15.072 volts.